Sam from Burley Laminated Benchtops. Today I want to talk to you about profiles on laminate benchtops. Our most popular one at Burley that we do is a post-formed edge 10 by 10 roll on a 33mm board. We also do a tight form laminate benchtop, which is 38mm thick, and it's a tighter roll post-formed edge. In the gloss laminates we have two options. So we have a post-formed edge, which is nice, which wraps around the benchtop. We can also do an ABS edge. So ABS edge is a more square look. It gives a nice profile on a gloss finish laminate. We can do a square filed edge, pretty popular with these concrete look benchtops and also some wood grains. Another edge is ABS with a natural finish or textured edge, available in some of the wood grain laminates and flat finish laminates. If you need more information about profiles, come visit the showroom at 39 Dover Drive and we'll find the profile that suits your plan.